Hi friends, welcome to Navik Tech. In this video, we are going to see the unboxing of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. This is how the retail sales version of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max looks. On the box, you can see that it is mentioned Made in India. One of the highlighting feature of this Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is 108 megapixel camera. It is mentioned over here. And coming to the sides, you can see the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max branding. And coming to the back, some of the important features of Redmi Note 10 Pro Max are printed. One of the important features, as I said previously, 108 megapixel camera, 120Hz AMOLED dot display, and it is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 732G processor. And this is equipped with 5020 mAh battery. At the bottom, you can see that the color of the device, it is vintage bronze. Two more colors are available: dark night, glacial blue, and I have ordered the 6GB 128GB. It costed me around 20,000, and two more variants are available: 6GB 64GB, which costs approximately 19,000, 8GB 128GB, which costs approximately 22,000. Here you can see the Made in India branding. So without wasting any time, let's open the phone from the box. I bought this phone from Amazon. I will give the link in the description box. Please do check that. On opening the box, here you can see that designed by Redmi. You will get a small box inside. Inside the box, you will have the SIM ejector tool. Here is the SIM ejector tool. Let's keep it aside. And also you will get a user guide and a transparent case for Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Let's keep all these things aside. And here is the phone. As I said, I have ordered the vintage bronze. I got this phone during the first sale. Let's remove the cover. Let's keep the phone aside and let's see what we got inside the box. And inside the box you will get 33-watt fast charger, and also you get the Type-C cable. This is how the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max looks at the back. Now let's try to remove the sticker at the back. First let's try to turn on the phone. Here you can see the Redmi branding. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max runs on MIUI 12. Here you can see that MIUI 12. I will go to the setup process quickly and I will come back once the setup is done. Okay guys, now the setup is done. It is loading apps. The phone has been booted up and the user interface looks like this. Here you can see that some apps are pre-installed on the phone, such as Netflix and Facebook, LinkedIn, and so on. If you want, you can simply uninstall them. First let's go to the settings and check the version of Android and go to about phone. Under MIUI version you can see that I got an update. Here is update for camera, so I'm going to click on download update. The download will be going on in the background. And coming to the version of Android, it is Android 11. And the version of MIUI is 12.0.1 stable version. And coming to the physical overview of the phone has 6.67 inch Full HD plus AMOLED dot display, and it has a punch hole camera which is 16 megapixel front facing camera. And coming to the top, you have the 3.5mm headphone jack. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max has dual speakers at the top and at the bottom. And you have the secondary noise cancelling mic and the infrared sensor. You can control your TVs, ACs, and so on. And coming to the sides, you have the volume rockers up and down and the power button. This power button works as a fingerprint scanner. Here you can see that I have locked the phone. Here you can see that it unlocks the phone. And coming to the bottom, as I said, it has a dual speaker setup. There's a speaker at the bottom and USB Type-C port for charging. And coming to the left side, you have the SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. Here you can see that you can use two SIM cards and a micro SD card, which is a good thing. And coming to the back side, you have the 108 megapixel rear camera and the 8 megapixel ultra wide camera, 2 megapixel portrait camera, and 5 megapixel macro camera. And also you have the flash. The back of the Redmi Note 10 Pro Max is glass, so you can see that it attracts fingerprints. There is a camera bump on Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Here you can see the camera bump. So you need to keep a good quality case which gives protection to the camera lens. Till then I am going to use this case which is provided in the box. It is a transparent TP case. This is how the default TP case which is provided in the box looks like. At the back you can see that it doesn't provide protection to the camera lens. And at the top you can see that there are cutouts for the 3.5mm jack, speakers, and also there is a cutout for fingerprint scanner. There is no cutout for the SIM tray, so you need to remove the case and you need to insert the SIMs if you need to change the SIMs. And I forgot to tell you one more thing. Redmi Note 10 Pro Max comes with a screen guard. Here you can see that there is a screen guard. You need to keep a good quality screen guard to protect your phone. in case of accidental falls. Now let's test the camera on Redmi Note 10 Pro Max. Let's switch to front facing camera. Let's take a photos with the rear camera. Okay. If you want to take the photos with 108 megapixel camera, you need to click on more and you need to select 108 megapixel, and let's take a shot. Here you can see the message 108 megapixel Ultra HD is on. So that's it guys. I will take few more photos with this phone and I will attach them at the end of this video. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.